Daily Global News Update July 24, 2026 based on the latest international coverage from The Guardian, with major developments cross-checked against Reuters and the Associated Press. Here are the topics that we are going to talk about. 1. Middle East conflict raises fears of a wider regional war. 2. Oil rises above $100 as markets react to geopolitical risk. 3. European Union strengthens sanctions against Russia. 4. Russia-Ukraine war continues amid political tensions in Kyiv. 5. Thousands flee wildfires in southern Europe. 6. New U.S. tariffs trigger international criticism. 7. Cybersecurity concerns grow in Australia market outlook. 1. Middle East conflict raises fears of a wider regional war. Tensions between the United States and Iran continue to escalate, with further U.S. strikes reported against Iranian military targets and renewed threats of a larger military operation. Houthi attacks on Saudi oil tankers in the Red Sea have increased concerns about the security of major shipping routes, particularly the Bab el-Mandeb Strait and the Strait of Hormuz. 2. Oil rises above $100 as markets react to geopolitical risk. Oil prices climbed above $100 per barrel following attacks on energy shipping and fears of supply disruption. Rising energy prices are increasing inflation concerns, pushing government bond yields higher and weighing on global stock markets, particularly in Asia. 3. European Union strengthens sanctions against Russia. The European Union finalized its 21st sanctions package targeting Russia's financial, energy, and oil trading networks. The measures reportedly cover financial institutions, crypto platforms, companies, and individuals accused of helping Russia finance or support its war in Ukraine. 4. Russia-Ukraine war continues amid political tensions in Kyiv. Russian strikes and Ukrainian drone operations continue, while Ukraine is also experiencing internal political pressure following changes in its wartime leadership. Former Defense Minister Mikhailo Fedorov reportedly rejected another government position after his removal, amid protests calling for his return. 5. Thousands flee wildfires in southern Europe. Severe wildfires in France and Spain have forced thousands of residents and tourists to evacuate. Extreme temperatures, dry vegetation, and drought conditions are increasing the danger of further fires across southern Europe. 6. New U.S. tariffs trigger international criticism. The United States announced new tariffs of approximately 10% to 12.5% on imports from dozens of countries, citing concerns about forced labor enforcement. Critics argue that the policy could intensify trade tensions and increase costs for businesses and consumers. 7. Cybersecurity concerns grow in Australia. Australian energy provider Origin Energy confirmed that a cyber attack exposed customer information. The incident adds to global concerns about attacks targeting utilities, financial systems, and other critical infrastructure. Market outlook. Investors are closely monitoring 1. Oil and gas supply risks in the Middle East. 2. Inflation and global interest rate expectations. 3. Sanctions affecting Russia's energy and financial sectors. 4. Renewed trade tensions caused by U.S. tariffs. 5. Climate-related disruption across Europe. 6. Cybersecurity threats to critical infrastructure. Oil and safe haven assets may remain volatile, while stocks and cryptocurrencies could face pressure if geopolitical tensions or inflation expectations increase further. This report is for general information only and does not constitute financial advice. Thank you for watching. Kindly please do help us a favor, scan QR code to subscribe, follow, share, comment your thought and give us a feedback so that we can change and accommodate your option accordingly.